Greetings all, my name is Jason Colyer. I'm the Support Operations Manager here at GitLab, and today we're going to go over doing a Calendly audit. So let me share my screen and we'll kind of get started with that. Cool, so it's all going to start out of the audits repo, and from there you will make an issue. So what we're going to do is make a new issue. We'll use the right template. So we're doing a Calendly audit, apply the template, and you'll see how this will tell you what, put your name in there, put the start date, put the quarter. It'll tell you what title to use for the issue, who to assign it to. And down here, it'll have a note section, which we're going to use a script to generate. You could do this manually if you so desired, but it is way quicker to use the script. And let's just go over that script real quick so you can kind of see how this works. We're requiring Faraday, OpenURI, and YAML. Gems, libraries, whatever it is you want to call them. First function just makes the GitLab client a function. We're making a new Faraday connection. It's URL encoded for the request using the Faraday default adapter of whatever it's running on. And your headers are the private token is the GitLab token. Beyond that, you have the support team YAML function, which is just grabbing the support team YAML file from the GitLab API and then reading that through SAML, safe loading it so that it's in nice Ruby hash format. Well, we have an agents function, which is just having a global variable where we set it to all the people within that support team YAML file. Beyond that, all this really does is print out output, and it will tell you if they're missing their Calendly link in their support team YAML. Beyond that, it doesn't actually do a whole lot of checking because there's not a lot of ways to do that currently in the Calendly API. It'll also at the end output some, I'll put a little section saying these are people not within the support team. We want to keep track of that. We want to make sure that it is consistent and we know who's doing that. So all of this culminates into the script itself that's being run. And the way this works is from your audits folder, you're gonna make sure you got Ruby installed. You should have 2.6.2 for this particular project. Got it there, but you can always verify using the .ruby version file. It's there as well. You'll need to make sure you have the bundler gem installed. So we can do gem list -local rep-i bundle. You can see that it is installed there. And from there, you're going to run bundle, and then it'll use the gem file in the repo to install the gems that you will need for every audit that you potentially do. Beyond that, you're just going to do /bin Calendly audit and run that script. And because it's not doing a lot of checks, this is a very fast script. From there, you're just going to copy every bit of this output, and then you would paste that into that note section of that issue that we showed before. So let me pull a past issue so you can kind of see what this looks like. So here's a Calendly audit we did in the second quarter. You can see how it basically just prints it all out. And then what you need to do when doing this audit is go through Calendly and confirm, are they in Calendly? If not, they should be, because everyone in the support team should have this. If they're not in it, you need to send the invite. In the case of like the first person we got here, they were not in Calendly because the invite was still pending. So, reached out to that person, got them to accept it, everything's good. Beyond that, you can see how basically just went through and yes, they're in Calendly, and then look through all these different various things that kind of are noted here. And what you'll do at the, at the end of this is just ping these people to get these issues resolved. And that's all there really is to it. I made a checklist for mine. We had people come back and let me know what some of the issues they were experiencing. But that's all there is to running a Calendly audit. It's the script is fast, but the actual process is very manual still. Look forward to changes in the future. But yeah, that's all there is to it. I hope you found this educational. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.